Hey, what's up, Singapore? Subscribe in the house. I've been seeing some YouTube videos about supplement experts in the industry that's giving great advice about what to do during Ramadan. However, they are one that doesn't really practice Islam nor observe fasting during Ramadan. So I'm giving the real facts about someone that practices it and observe Ramadan during Islam, and how what is really going about for each individual during Ramadan itself. So what is Ramadan? Is the fourth pillar of Islam that Allah commands each every able individual Muslim to fast from sunrise to sunset. So in other words, during that period of time, every able body must refrain themselves from eating, drinking, and doing all bad deeds during that period of time. It's also to educate each individual Muslim to feel how those less fortunate, irregardless of race or religion, when they have less food intake in their system. Okay, that's besides during religion. So for someone that's doing this sports, whatever sports in this month of Ramadan, yes, in theory you need to consume 5 meals during that day after you breakfast until dawn, but in practical and reality is very difficult and it's not easy to sustain. So normally whatever we do when there's the urge, yes, you have the urge, you want to eat all this stuff during the breakfast. You want to have all kinds of meals to consume during breakfast. But the greatness after you breakfast is that once you have maybe a scoop of food into your mouth, you feel full, and it's really really difficult for you to really follow 5 meals a day during that period of time. So the best, like what Prophet Muhammad have taught, is always start with dates to replenish whatever sugar lost during the day, and try your best to reduce whatever loss you gain during the previous months in the month of Ramadan. Okay. Yes, theoretically you want to eat whatever, but in reality, in Singapore we breakfast at 7:10 to 7:15 p.m. We break our fast. After that, we have to observe Maghrib prayers, and after that, Isha prayers at 8:25, perform Tarawih prayers, so on and so forth. So during that period of time, it's really congested to consume everything. The best is what I do 1 month prior Ramadan. I change up my routine during training. So it will be very difficult for those who train the day or noon or afternoon to adapt. But what I did is that 1 month prior to that, I changed my routine to train at about 1:30 a.m. to 3:30 a.m. So now I'm doing what I did prior to that, and your body will adapt to it. And like I said, the protein that I tried and I've shown in Instagram, whatever, those are cravings that I want during Ramadan. And 400 to 600 ml of protein shake that I made, and honestly, this is what the time I needed for me to consume that amount of protein itself takes about 30 minutes. Just imagine, you breakfast, you consume whatever meal you want, and you have to take this protein that you are dying to take after you breakfast. But in reality, you will feel bloated, and when you want to perform your Tarawih prayers, you feel like vomiting. So just take your time, use this month of Ramadan, like what most of the experts says, to switch to reducing fat. What I did for the past 3 years is that prior to Ramadan, I would try to bulk. So the heaviest that I've done was last year was about 72 kgs. During the Ramadan itself, I lost and I dropped to about 65-68 kgs. And after that, I will try go over the sequence again of bulking. So the thing is, just try to do whatever you are able to during this month of Ramadan, don't emphasize so much and be distressed losing whatever gains you have the months before. So just focus on losing fat, keep on your training, don't stress yourself, and have a blessed Ramadan. That's it. This only just 1 month of the year that is commanded for every able Muslim to perform Ramadan and fasting during the Ramadan. So I hope in this little short video will give a better understanding of those not observing Ramadan and what in reality Muslims that's observed are facing, and the hardship, the things that we go through during this period of time. So that's all about it. Subs for you out.